Nigeria Police Command in Federal Capital Territory, FCT Abuja, on Tuesday arrested a number of suspects who are believed to be involved in manipulation of Voters Accreditation System, BVAS. According to reports, the police swept on a resident building at number 15 in Abuja to raid the house. A tip of unidentified source claimed that the location was being used as a base to manipulate the last Saturday election. Here is the video that showed the BVAS machine.
Look at my face.
This is OÈDUA TV Watch. My name remains Yoruba, and don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.